Want a fast green flag test for him? Count with me. Tick the boxes he has. If he hits a lot, you've got a keeper. And stay to the end, I'll give you the one thing that beats every box on this list. What a guy should have to earn a green flag. Shoe size 9+, or he passes with good insoles. If not, red flag and a friendly walk to the grown man's sneaker aisle. Temperature, built-in space heater, not a human icicle. Throw blanket allowed during rom-coms and global emergencies. Instagram is under control. One old post and a cat? Great. 03 a.m. with the boys, chaos. Stick shift equals second nature. He switches gears smooth with that left foot and can explain the difference between the clutch and patience while he drives. Sleep is calm. Pajamas only if you really ask. Quiet sleeper. Doesn't toss like a washing machine on spin. Real socks. No flimsy no-shows that quit by lunch. Elastic like healthy boundaries. It stays put. Home repair. He looks at the leaky faucet and it stops. If not, he books the plumber, sets the time, and pays. No drama, more fixes. Coffee. Drinks it black like his humor, but remembers your exact latte order and brings it the way you like it. Jeans. Skinny. Only if 501 is in his heart. The leg doesn't choke. The style doesn't cry. Feelings in words. No blow-ups. He says what happened, what he needs, and what he'll do next. 3 short lines. Food rescue. Won't finish your fries. Unacceptable. His holy duty. Save the cheesecake, the pizza slice, and the lonely fry. 10 skills. Can pitch it in 90 seconds. If it rains, blanket fort glamping at home. Car basics. Knows the difference between hood and milk frother. Insurance paid. Tire pressure, like the relationship, steady. Selfies low. Your pics high. He takes none of himself but 100 great shots of you with good light and angles. Specs. 180 pounds and a six-pack. Yes, please. The spec sheet demands miracles. We're laughing. Kind of. And bugs. Not scared, or at least brave about it. Carries the spider out with respect or calls in the broom swat. Bonus height test. 6'1", or he brings you coffee in bed. We believe in fair trades. Okay, this is the time for the real reveal. True green flags aren't shoes or selfies. His respect, honesty, care, responsibility, listening, and consistent actions with soft boundaries. If he's got that, he's fully green. Even if he likes sweet coffee, wears skinnies, and gets a little jumpy around bees.